Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best flat metal file is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any workshop or DIY enthusiast's arsenal, capable of shaping, smoothing, and refining a wide array of materials with precision and efficiency. Whether you're deburring sharp edges on metal, shaping wood for intricate projects, or even cleaning rust-off surfaces, a quality flat metal file can make the difference between a rough finish and a professional-looking result, proving its worth in countless applications. This review will delve into what makes a flat metal file truly stand out, ensuring you can select the perfect one for your specific needs and elevate your craftsmanship. Number 5. 6-piece metal needle file set. Crafted from high-hardness carbon steel, these files offer exceptional durability. Their fine-grained texture ensures long-lasting cutting performance for all your projects. This set includes 6 distinct shapes: flat, warding, square, triangular, round, and half-round. This variety allows for a wide range of applications and precise work. Experience comfortable and controlled use with ergonomically designed rubberized handles. They provide a stable, firm grip, allowing you to work faster and with greater precision. Featuring clear, durable gear teeth, these tools are designed for efficient cutting. The precision surface grain ensures reliable performance, time and time again. Perfect for removing, refining, reshaping, and scraping, these are your go-to tools for detailed precision work. They excel on small surfaces and in tight areas. Use them to shape wood, metal, jewelry, glass, tile, ceramics, leather, and plastic. They are essential for any project requiring fine detail. What we like. This set offers a variety of shapes for diverse tasks. If you need to tackle detailed precision work on small surfaces and tight areas, this is the perfect choice for you. Its comfortable grip ensures you can work for extended periods without fatigue. What people say. The file is made of durable metal and has a comfortable grip. It effectively removes rust and debris from metal surfaces. The flat design allows for easy access to tight spaces. Number 4. Hi-Spec 17-piece metal file tool kit. Introducing the Hi-Spec 17-piece metal file tool kit. This comprehensive set is designed for all your filing needs, whether you're working on metal, wood, or plastics. It includes both large machinist's files and small needle files, perfect for smoothing, deburring, and shaping. Achieve precise results on any project. Crafted from heat-treated T12 high-carbon steel, these tools offer exceptional hardness and wear resistance. You can rely on their long-lasting performance. The needle files are ideal for intricate work and reaching tight spots. With various shapes included, they offer versatile use for detailed tasks. Keep your tools in top condition with the included stiff wire brush. It efficiently removes filing particles, ensuring a smooth finish without damage. Everything is neatly organized and protected in a sturdy zipper case. Its splash-resistant design and elastic straps keep your tools secure during transport. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution for various filing needs. If you're looking for a durable set that includes essential accessories for maintenance and storage, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who value organization and longevity. What people say. The flat metal file is designed with a comfortable grip for extended use. It features a durable metal construction that ensures longevity and effective filing. The file's sharp teeth provide efficient material removal, making tasks quicker. Number 3. Zhehao 6-inch flat file axe sharpener. Crafted from high-carbon steel and quenched for superior hardness, this tool is built to last. It won't dull, chip, or break, ensuring it remains a dependable part of your toolbox for extended use. Its wide filing surface provides ample friction for quick metal processing. This means you can significantly reduce your working time and boost your overall efficiency. Experience enhanced comfort with its humanized rubber handle. The non-slip design reduces strain and fatigue, allowing you to work faster and more effectively. Featuring teeth on both sides and edges, this tool offers an expanded range of applications. It can tackle many projects that other files can't, making it incredibly versatile. Perfect for sharpening, smoothing, and trimming various materials. Whether it's metal grinding, wood shaping, or pipe trimming, it helps you complete a wide array of tasks with ease. What we like. This tool is specifically designed for sharpening and smoothing. If your primary need is to maintain sharp edges on axes or other tools, this file's wide surface and comfortable grip will significantly reduce your effort and time. It's perfect for anyone who works with cutting tools regularly. What people say. This file is great for sharpening my lawnmower blade. The file is a good size and comfortable to hold. It works well for deburring metal edges. Number 2. Finder 8-inch Bastard Cut Mill File. Introducing the Finder 8-inch Bastard Cut Mill File. This flat hand file is crafted from superior high-carbon hardened steel for long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic handle, made from rubber and plastic, offers a comfortable, non-slip grip even in wet conditions. This design ensures excellent control for precise work. Constructed with high-carbon steel and high-frequency quenching, this tool boasts high hardness and strength. It's built for longevity and tough jobs. This versatile file is ideal for a wide range of applications, including processing hard wood, deburring, and polishing. It's perfect for both professional and DIY use on wood, metal, and plastic. Finder guarantees all of its products for life. Choose us for quality and reliability in your tools. What we like. This file is built for heavy-duty tasks and offers a comfortable user experience. If you frequently engage in rough shaping, deburring, or processing hard materials like iron and steel, its robust construction and ergonomic handle make it an ideal choice. It's designed for both professional workshops and demanding DIY projects. What people say. The file is made of high-quality metal, ensuring durability and longevity. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. The sharp teeth of the file effectively remove material, making it ideal for shaping and smoothing metal surfaces. Number 1. Nicholson 8mm Single Cut Bastard File 21694HNN. Introducing the Nicholson 8-inch mill file, designed for precision and comfort. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip for extended use. This tool is perfect for sharpening mill or circular saws, draw filing, and finishing metals. Its tapered width allows for easy access into grooves. As an American pattern file, it excels at non-precision material removal. Get the job done efficiently with its robust design. Featuring single-cut teeth on the sides and edges, it provides smooth finishes while sharpening and deburring. Achieve professional results with ease. The square edges are specifically designed for filing sharp corners. Tackle intricate details with confidence and precision. The attached rubber-coated ergonomic handle enhances comfort and control. Work longer and with less fatigue thanks to its superior grip. What we like. This file is designed for specific finishing and sharpening applications. If you need to sharpen mill or circular saws, or work on finishing metals with precision, its tapered width and square edges are invaluable. It's a great tool for tasks requiring clean edges and smooth finishes. What people say. This is a great file, it works very well. The file is made of metal and is very durable. It has a comfortable grip and is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.